morning. Saturday morning, and it's 40 degrees outside. We're headed now to pick up our fifth wheel. I was supposed to go last night, but had truck issues. Battery went dead on us. We tried jumping it and everything else, it wouldn't go, so we ended up buying a new battery last night. By then it was too late for me to go by myself, so I figured we'd head out early in the morning. It's like, what? I don't even know what time it is right now. Oh, the clock's wrong. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I don't know what time it is right now. It's almost 9 o'clock. And so we're heading out to the fifth wheel. And then we're going to be heading out to Traveler's Rest, the KOA. So as you can see, I have everything here. Well, most of it. And I got more in the passenger seat. So we're heading there now, and once we get to the fifth wheel, I'm not going to record anything because I just want to hook up and go. But the one of the propane tanks, the 30-pound ones, are empty. So we're going to take them off. My wife's in front of me now with the other car. So we're bringing two vehicles. And she's going to take both tanks to get filled at a Tractor Supply in Traveler's Rest, so where we're going. So by the time we get set up with the camper and everything else, you should be there, and we'll just hook the tanks up and we'll have full tanks of propane, which will be nice. We'll have some heat. These people are driving so freaking slow. So that's the plan. We're just going to head over there now to get the camper, the tanks out, and hit the road. And it's about an hour, I think it's about an hour from where the camper is to the campsite. A little over, a little under, somewhere around an hour or so. We'll be there, and then, yep, we'll make a video of the campsite and stuff too, and the campground also. We didn't do it last time we were there, so we'll do it this time. And plus we're going to have Christmas at the campsite too, which would be awesome. It's always on our bucket list to do, have Christmas in a campground. So we couldn't do this back in New York. Pretty much all the campsites are closed, and it's too cold there for us to have a fun Christmas. So yep. But I think Monday late afternoon we're going to be doing some openings for her parents. So we're going to do a live chat opening gifts for the kids. So we'll be doing that. And that's about it, I guess. So we're just gonna about 6 miles away from the camper now. So so I'll probably record some of the live chat so everybody can see it on our end instead of just over a live crappy feed. So I'll record some of that and put that in here, and it's gonna be like, I don't even know what we're gonna do later today, because like I said, it's early in the morning right now, about 9 a.m. And from our house to the camper is about an hour. So, and then from the camper location is another hour to the campsite. So we're going to be on the road for a couple hours. And like I said, later today, I don't know what we're going to do. It's supposed to be in the mid-50s. And so it's perfect for us to go out and hike in or do. We'll find something cool to do. And we'll make a video on it. So again, we'll be there in a few minutes. And I gotta set the clocks on this thing too. I had to replace the battery, so it's all ruined. Yeah. And I got a little electric cooler. It's like a little mini refrigerator. The thing's awesome. We're gonna be using that until the fridge in the camper gets cold enough to put the food in it. So it smells like a igloo, I think it is. I don't know. I have to look at it later. Alright, we're almost there, and I gotta concentrate on the road. Alright, see you in a few. Alright. I'm about a half mile away from the KOA and Traveler's Rest, so we're getting there. It's got I don't know if you can see the map too well. A little checkered flag. Give you a little view of the road. hear here, but truck's got a little bit of exhaust leak. Oh, I see the sign for the KOA. There it is. We made it. Yay. There we are. Made it to the campground. Wow. These ones on the right are just, they were here before. I think they're just stored here. Speed bump. Hang on. Hang on. Alright, 2 more axles to go. There's 1. There's 2. Hey. Yeah, this is a great campground. I don't think we're going to have too many neighbors. At least I hope not. And there's the office. I got to go check in. Go potty. For a 2-hour drive. Alright. Right, let me go do it.
What?
Alright. Let's go through the awesome tunnel.
She says it's haunted. Oh my goodness. So cool.
Oh yeah. Wow, that's cool.
Oh, look at it. You're walking over it.
Yeah, so that's cool. Oh, that's a really beautiful spot. That's awesome. You like it? Yeah? Should be about halfway there, I think.
Yeah. I can hear a big waterfall in the background.
Oh. It's a cool little spot on the path here. The waterfalls are straight ahead. This is beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Wow.
Oh, check out the bridge.
I saw it. Wow. The video's not going to do it justice, so here you go. There's a bridge right here we're going to go over. Hang on, Willow. Wow. Willow, wait. Yep. Yeah, it's all the water running off right there.
So cool here. I love it.
This is awesome.
I'm freaking like just loving the whole time. I don't even know where to like. It's so freaking cool here.
It's beautiful here.
I totally want to come here again sometime.
Oh yeah, we'll be back. Oh yeah. Top of the falls, runs down. I like how there's benches, so if you want, you can just like
Chill.
relax and enjoy it. They're everywhere. Oh, shaking a butt. Wow, this is amazing. Hang on, Willow.
Like, where do you not look? It's so cool.
More stairs. That's probably gonna be a really long video, or I'll break it up into two, maybe two-part, because we're doing stuff tomorrow too. Tomorrow we're going to a plane museum and something else I forgot. Wow, it's like 35 degrees out right now. Getting chilly. I even got it on super view, so it's like a wide view, but
Yeah.
it's
Still won't do
no,
any justice.
no. Oh,
Cool rock. This is like obsidian.
yeah. Maybe it is. I don't know. I'm not a rockologist. Whew. Well, we have to go over by the snow, I guess. I just like how there's so many spots to
Yeah, there's tons of
chill.
spots to sit, have a picnic, whatever. Look at that.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
It's awesome.
Alright.
Get married.
Yeah.
There you go.
You got it, girl. You got it.
There's a Keen store around here. I'm gonna freaking go get her some hikers.
This is ridiculous. Oh, you're okay. Keep going. Here, walk on. Here, give me your hand.
Yep.
Here we go. Ready? More water. Woo. Oh, this is cool. It's like an obstacle course today.
What?
It's an obstacle course.
Yeah.
You did it!
Wow.
Isn't that beautiful?
We're gonna be right at the base of it. It's gonna be misty, you know?
I know. Well, I got a GoPro. I'm good.
I meant Willow. It's covered in rain or waterfall.
Yep, I feel the mist.
Wow.
Well, stay with mommy. Wait for mommy. Let's go up and get the shot. Oh, it's all wet. Yeah. Let's get up here. Woo! Do not pass. Wow, that's beautiful. So it's about roughly 90 feet. There's still water coming down everywhere here. See how slippery this rock is. Oh, we're good. Oh, oh. Pretty cool. Love checking out waterfalls. Pretty simple hike. Just some stairs, some wet areas, but other than that, it's pretty easy. Nope. Your turn.
Can you hang out with her?
Yep. Nope. Stay over here, Willow. Mommy's gonna go up. Willow, wait here. Come on. So beautiful. In here. Wow. Cool. Really? Huh. Oh, that's too bad. Let's look in the cockpit. Yeah. That's really all there is to it. Wow. That's it. That's crazy. Oh, it's 1932 something. Oh, this is a really good museum. I found my airplane. Yeah, it's got the gun on top.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said, oh wow, look at this one.
It's almost like a Tommy gun. Yeah. It's my plane. I got dibs. Wow. It's beautiful. Wow.
All done. It looks beautiful like that.
It's pretty cool. Oh, there's my ride, my Jeep. Hey, hon, I found our car. Our car. I would gladly trade a Jetta for this. Probably doesn't go over 45 miles an hour, but oh, I even got the rifle in the front. That's awesome. That's sweet. Wow.
That's awesome.
This is what I'm talking about. Oh. Classic Beetle in this, all I need.
Yeah.
Wow. Some wings. Yeah. Some more over there. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. 303. Wow. This is awesome. And it's free to get in. Put a link to it in the description. Wow. It's not as big as the one that's in New York, the Air Museum. But it's still nice. Pretty cool. Yeah, this is only like 40 minutes, I think, from our campground. Wow, these are beautiful. Camera will never do it justice. Wow, that's awesome. I'll record you.
She already did.
Ow.
Watch your head. She needs help getting in that one though. That's why you already did it.
Oh.
Far drop down.
Oh yeah, it is.
She's like, I can't do it.
Nope.
It's hurting my butt.
Alright, never mind. What are you doing? This place is really cool.
Yeah. We were looking at all the things over there. Yep. Oh no, don't touch that stuff. It's not for you.
Man. Well, it's a little better than I thought from the outside. I was like,
I
yeah.
know, it looked really small out
Thought
there.
we were only
Cool
going to
in
be
here.
talking for like a minute or two.
Nah. It's cool.
That's a cool one. It's like a, no,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
got a propeller on it. Huh.
It's like really like thin.
Don't beat on it, honey.
Yeah, don't hit the planes, honey. A lot of them are really old.
Did you look inside the burgundy one?
Mm-hmm.
That thing's beautiful in there. Wow, this one's pretty cool too.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yep, it's for meetings and stuff.
Wow, this is beautiful in there. Hmm.
I flew a little Cessna before with somebody next to me. It was fun.
I wouldn't go on these things.
Oh, I did.
Nope, never, never.
I was like Fricker days. It was fun.
Nope. Took a little hydraulic leak. Cool. Hmm. Pretty cool, Willow.
There's stuff like everywhere.
Yeah.
Like hanging from the ceiling.
Yeah.
Attached to the walls.
Really not much in there. No.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, I think it's pretty sweet. No, I don't want a GTR. Oh, this one says, oh, that's a Curtis, but it's got two S's. 'Cause that was the name of the museum in New York, Curtis Museum. Still love this Jeep though. I think that's all to record really in here. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Planes everywhere. Well, if you guys are ever in North Carolina, you know where to go. Oh, they even got toys. Let's check these out.
Just for you,
Shirts are pretty cheap.
you just fly them if you need them. I bet these mugs would fit in the little cup holders.
Those ones, yeah, those will.
We have those at work.
Alright, Willow, you gotta tell us what this is. I don't know either. I don't know what it is. But it's big. Oh, it does? Oh, I don't know. Huh. Well, that's the trailer information.
Is that the trailer information too? I don't know what that is. It's like German, right?
I don't know. Maybe they use it for transporting wings or something.
Oh, maybe.
I don't know. I have no idea what this thing is. It's pretty cool though. I don't know. No idea. I don't know what this thing could possibly be.
I think it's for the wings.
I think it could be too.
I think you're right. I admitted it. That you're right.
Yeah.
I don't know. Weird. Elf S4. Huh. Have to look that up. Cool. That's pretty sweet. 'Cause there's a similar style there.
Oh yeah. I thought it's for the wings.
Western North Carolina Air Museum. It's okay, I believe it was free.
Yeah.
Huh. All right, Willow, where are we going to now? Where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, look, there's a propeller in the dirt. See, that should have been a cache right there.
Yeah, that would have been cool. There's a multi-cache here, but I'm not doing that.
Let's check it out.
Let's go look. Let's go look. Oh yeah, it's twisted up.
This is not been here for.
No, it's broken pretty bad.
Yeah. Where's Zelda? Wait, broken. Now it's
Yeah, now it's just gonna sit here forever.
now it's walk.
Cool.
I
Alright, on to the next place. By a little shot of our setup here at the campsite. We're in Traveler's Rest, South Carolina. Oh, you can almost see the Christmas tree in the window. Right behind our campsite we have a little stream here. Let's check it out. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's Christmas Eve right now. I have to use my phone. My wife's got the GoPro in her purse. She's gone for a while. Huh, that's good. Surprising, there's quite a few campers here today. More keep coming in. It's a beautiful day. It's probably about 55, 56. Wow, it's nice. It's an awesome KOA. Got a little bridge next to us. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, the cabins are all over there. Yep, got some Class A's, some travel trailers, and the Wi-Fi here is really good. Got really good internet here. There's even that little, has books in there. People, you can just grab one and read it. So this is our setup. Nothing too fancy. We're gonna go in a second to show you guys the inside of the camper. Yeah, this phone, everything's pretty close. So it's a 2016 Crusader Lite, made by Primetime, I believe. Yeah, It's our baby. We'd love to live in here full time. 30 BH. Let's go do a quick tour in here. It's just like a little apartment. Let's see. There we go. It's the living room. Obviously the kitchen. Little space heater heats up this thing nicely, so we don't have to use a furnace all the time for propane. And our coffee. Keep them all lined up. And we actually have a stove, which is awesome. An oven. Nope, not yet. Yep, this is our home away from home. I even installed a 4K TV. I think it's 50 inch. I don't remember offhand. And I got my PS4 down there. Yeah, we got a ton of storage in here. We got all the movies in here. Nothing up top. And there's a Blu-ray player I installed. Yep. And we got more storage above the couch. A Christmas tree. We got a pantry coat rack over there. We have a separate bedroom right here where my little brat's watching TV. And there's a bunk. Top bunk comes down. So this is her view out her back window. Yeah, she has a little campsite, and her bathroom also has a bathroom. Yep, she has her own sink and toilet. Okay, bye. And TV I installed in here. There's also a PS3 in here. So she could have movies, and you should have that open. Yep, your power. So yeah, this thing's got everything we need. We got food pantries. And that's about it for the kitchen. Other than that, we have a lot of storage and stuff. Bigger fridge than our last one. Yep. Dual sinks. All of this heater. As you probably saw in her bathroom, she has one in there. It heats her room really nicely too. Here's my bedroom. Well, my wife's and my bedroom.
Yeah.
Light switch here.
Yeah.
I installed the TV in here also. Had to buy a bracket for it. There's also a Blu-ray player in the wardrobe there.
Yeah.
And we got 3 drawers. So yeah, as you can see, we have a lot of storage.
Yeah.
Lots and lots of storage. And do a quick of the bathroom. Awesome shower.
Yeah.
Vanity.
Just for you.
Got cubbies right up here. Got what? 1, 2, 3, 4 cubbies. Storage underneath. Sink. I replaced the shower head because that cheap plastic one that came with it was crappy. So
Yeah.
put a nice one in there, and it does have triple glass.
Yeah.
It's not a porcelain toilet, but that's an upgrade I'll be doing later on. Oh, somebody else is coming in. Yep. Got new neighbors coming in. So watch out, honey, so I can close this door.
Or not.
You're like, get out of my way.
They're nice or not?
I'm pretty sure they're nice. Alright, we can turn this heat off now. Getting hot. So, this is our little camper.
Yep.
Huh. You like this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, she wants to live in here full time.
Yeah. And we also have
Living here all the time.
Fika.
Your figure.
Standing forward.
So, yep. What's the temperature? Yeah, it's close. 52 outside and 67 inside.
Rainbow Dash.
Yeah. That's a cute little camper over there. Huh. New neighbors. Yeah. Even on Christmas Eve, people are still camping. We're not the only ones. So, figured I'd give you guys a little look at our home away from home. Unfortunately, we have to leave tomorrow morning. We don't want to leave, but gotta go. Can't stay here forever, huh, Willow?
Yeah.
Someday we'll stay forever.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So yeah, we had a pretty busy couple days. The Air Museum, the waterfalls we went to, which was beautiful. We're gonna come back in the summertime. So definitely want to come back and see that when it's in full bloom up there. And what else we do yesterday? You don't remember? Yeah, we had a good time. You'll see more of the footage up here and everything else. But yeah, this campground is very nice. See if you can't get a view out the window. Oh, we got a big old Class A right there. They've been there since before we were here.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's a nice campground.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
She loves it here. And there's a playground here. It's kind of on the small side. She can't even really use it.
Yeah.
So. And in a couple hours, we're going to be unwrapping some presents for the kids so their grandparents could do it. We're going to do a live stream so they can watch it, but we're not going to do it on YouTube or anything. Just between us and them, so. Yep. You gonna open presents today? Yeah. Other than that, this camper's been really good for us. We haven't had any major issues. Nothing yet. So. But it's nice that the kids have their own bedroom. So at night they can just go in there, close the door, and do their own thing. And our bedroom's at the other end of the camper, so we're not like right next to each other. So, alright, just figured I'd give you guys a little look around the camper. A little fifth wheel. Yeah, the little foot ottoman there we got on eBay for like not even 20 bucks, I think it was. Or no, Amazon. So it didn't come with the camper or anything. We keep our blankets and stuff in there. Other than that, alright, I'll let you guys go because my 10-minute timer's ticking here. So alrighty guys, take it easy.